Error code 103 on Cash App signals an authentication failed issue. This means the app can't verify your identity, preventing access to your account. It's a security measure designed to protect your funds, but can be frustrating. This video will guide you through understanding and resolving this error. Several factors can trigger error 103 in Cash App. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the issue. One common reason is incorrect login credentials. If your username, password, or PIN don't match what Cash App expects, the authentication fails, triggering error 103. Another trigger is expired sessions. If your login session has timed out from inactivity or after an app update, it can lead to authentication conflicts and error 103. Device recognition issues occur after updates or hardware changes. Cash App's security system may flag unrecognized devices, leading to error 1003. Network problems, such as unstable connections or server outages, can prevent proper authentication with Cash App servers, resulting in error 1003. Finally, a temporary account lock due to suspected suspicious activity is a security measure that can cause error 103 until the issue is resolved. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing error 1003 and ensuring smooth access to your Cash App account. The most basic fix for error code 103 is to verify your login credentials. Double-check your username, password, or PIN to ensure they are correct. First, double-check that your username, password, or PIN are entered correctly. Look at the login screen and verify each field. Second, check that Caps Lock is not turned on. This common mistake can prevent your password from being recognized correctly. Third, if you're unsure about your credentials, use the Forgot Password or Forgot PIN features within Cash App to reset them securely through your email or phone. An outdated Cash App can cause authentication issues like error code 103. Recent updates, such as version 7.8.5 released in January 2026, include bug fixes and improved security measures to prevent such errors. For iOS users, open the App Store, search for Cash App, and tap Update if available. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, find Cash App, and select Update. Updating ensures compatibility with the latest security protocols. Cached data stored by Cash App can sometimes interfere with the login verification process, leading to authentication errors. Clearing the app's cache can resolve these conflicts. On Android devices, navigate to your settings, find the Apps section, select Cash App, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, there's no direct cache clear option. Instead, offload the app through Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Cash App, and select Offload App. Alternatively, delete and reinstall the app from the App Store. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reinstalling Cash App. This removes any corrupted files or outdated data that might be causing authentication issues. First, delete Cash App from your device. On iOS, long press the app icon and select the Delete option to remove it completely. On Android, navigate to your device settings, find the App section, locate Cash App, and choose to uninstall it. Then, download and install Cash App again from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for the official Cash App and install it to get a clean, updated version. Reinstalling provides a fresh installation that can resolve session-related issues and ensure compatibility with the latest security updates. Cash App offers biometric authentication using facial recognition or fingerprint scanning on compatible devices. This feature was introduced in late 2025 to enhance security and reduce fraud. Enabling biometrics adds an extra layer of protection and can simplify your login process. To enable it, open Cash App and go to your profile, then tap on Security Settings and turn on the biometric options like Face ID or Touch ID. The benefits include stronger security against unauthorized access, easier logins on your device, and potentially bypassing error code 1003 issues. If biometric authentication isn't available on your device, you can use email or SMS verification as a secure fallback option. Remember that biometric options work alongside Cash App's existing security measures to keep your account safe. When biometric authentication fails or isn't available on your device, Cash App provides a reliable backup through email or SMS verification. This method sends a unique code to your registered email address or phone number, allowing you to verify your identity and access your account securely. To enable this fallback option, navigate to your Cash App settings and ensure email or SMS verification is turned on. When logging in, select this option to receive a code via text message or email. For example, you might receive an SMS with a 6-digit code on your phone or an email containing the verification number. Enter this code in the app to complete the login process and ensure your account remains secure. A weak or unstable internet connection can interfere with the authentication process. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might be interfering with Cash App's geolocation checks, triggering error 1003. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and try logging in again. Section 11. Wait and try again later. Sometimes error 1003 is due to temporary server issues on Cash App's end. Wait a few minutes or hours and try logging in again. Server maintenance can cause intermittent authentication problems. Too many incorrect login attempts can lead to a temporary account lock, triggering error 1003. Be careful when entering your credentials and avoid guessing. If you're locked out, wait for the cooldown period before trying again. Too many incorrect login attempts can lead to a temporary account lock, triggering error 1003. Be careful when entering your credentials and avoid guessing. If you're locked out, wait for the cooldown period before trying again. Authentication mismatches can occur when linking external bank accounts to Cash App. This often happens due to incorrect information or unstable connections. Bank linking involves data exchange between Cash App and your bank. Errors arise if this flow is interrupted. First, double-check that all account details are correct. Even small typos can cause authentication failures. Second, ensure your connection to the bank is stable. Network issues can trigger error 1003 during linking. Finally, if needed, unlink the problematic account and link it again. This often resolves persistent mismatches. If none of the previous steps resolve error code 1003, contact Cash App support directly. You can access support directly within the Cash App itself or through their official website. Within the app, navigate to the support section where you can select your issue category and start a chat. When contacting support, explain the issue clearly. Mention that you've tried other troubleshooting steps and include any relevant details about your device or account. Finally, be patient as response times can vary depending on support volume. The Cash App team will assist you in resolving the authentication issue. Cash App now offers an AI chatbot to help troubleshoot common issues, including error code 1003. This intelligent assistant provides step-by-step guidance to resolve authentication problems and other app-related issues quickly. The AI chatbot is designed to reduce the need for human support by offering immediate, accurate solutions. It analyzes user issues and provides personalized troubleshooting steps, making problem resolution faster and more efficient. To access the chatbot, open the Help Center within the Cash App. You'll see various support options, including chat features where the AI assistant is available. For example, if you're encountering error code 1003, the chatbot can guide you through verification steps, app updates, and other fixes. This visual shows a typical authentication error that the chatbot helps resolve. Since its introduction, the AI chatbot has significantly improved user experience by reducing support ticket volumes by 20% in recent quarters, offering a convenient way to get help anytime. Cash App utilizes OAuth 2.0 for authentication, creating token-based sessions. This standard protocol allows secure access without sharing credentials directly. Error 1003 can arise if these tokens expire or become invalid, often due to session conflicts. While you can't directly manage these tokens, clearing cache and reinstalling the app often refreshes them, resolving authentication issues. Cash App implements rate limiting as part of its layered security model to protect against brute force attacks. This security measure temporarily blocks login attempts after multiple failures, typically after 3 consecutive failed attempts. When this threshold is reached, the system imposes a cooldown period, such as 24 hours, during which the user cannot attempt to log in again. This helps prevent unauthorized access and protects user accounts from automated attack attempts. To avoid being locked out, users should avoid excessive login attempts and ensure their credentials are correct before retrying. The flowchart here illustrates potential rate-limiting vulnerabilities and their impacts in security testing scenarios. Understanding these security measures helps users navigate the authentication process more effectively while maintaining account security. The 2024 Cash App data leak affected 1.2 million users and prompted stricter security measures throughout the app. This breach led to enhanced authentication protocols, where error code 1003 serves as a protective barrier against unauthorized access. The data leak highlighted vulnerabilities in financial apps, as shown in this summary of 2024 breaches affecting various organizations. Cash App responded by strengthening security, which can sometimes result in authentication errors like code 1003 for legitimate users. Cash App is exploring AI and machine learning to enhance authentication and reduce errors like code 1003. By using adaptive risk scoring, AI can predict and resolve potential mismatches in real time, creating a smoother experience for users. This technology could cut down on authentication errors by 30 to 40% in the coming years. Looking ahead, Cash App may adopt decentralized authentication using blockchain technology. This approach could minimize reliance on centralized servers, potentially eliminating outage-related errors and enhancing overall security. Cash App is moving toward a zero-trust architecture, where every transaction requires continuous verification to enhance security. In a zero-trust model, trust is never assumed. Every request must be verified. Cash App aims to implement this by 2028, ensuring secure access through ongoing checks. Advanced biometrics play a key role in zero trust. Methods such as fingerprint scanning, iris recognition, and voice patterns allow for secure, continuous authentication without relying on passwords alone. Zero-knowledge proofs are another tool in zero trust architecture. They allow verification of information, like knowing a secret, without disclosing the actual data, enhancing privacy and security. Implementing zero trust could make traditional authentication errors like code 1003 obsolete by providing seamless, secure verification. However, challenges include low user adoption of advanced security features and regulatory issues with data privacy. Overall, Cash App's shift to zero trust architecture promises a more secure future, though it requires overcoming adoption and regulatory barriers. Experts emphasize the need to balance security with usability. While Error 1003 is frustrating for users, it's a necessary trade-off to prevent fraud and protect personal data. User-friendly redesigns and improved communication can help mitigate this frustration. In conclusion, Error code 1003 serves as an important security feature that helps protect your Cash App account from unauthorized access. By understanding its common causes and following the troubleshooting steps we've covered, you can quickly resolve authentication issues and continue using the app safely.